I'll show you a really easy way to remove a stud, and it's really simple. It only takes 2 nuts and it doesn't damage the threads. So we'll take 1 nut and thread it on. Take it in as close as you can to the face. So if you had a bolt way out here and you were wailing on it, you might bend it and break it. Then we'll put on the second nut, spin it all the way together. With 2 wrenches, we'll tighten these against each other. And I'll tighten it with a hammer. Now I'll just put 1 wrench on, and you're gonna favor the back bolt. We'll give it a tap. That worked really nice. You can see that moving. Nice. Now we'll just extract this and pull it the whole way out. Now that we've got it out, we need to get these 2 nuts off. You can use 2 wrenches like you did to get them on, but a vise with 1 wrench makes it a bit easier. We've got 1 off, and remove the second one. And that's a real effective way to get the stud out without damaging. I cleaned it up with a wire wheel so it'll go in easy. To reinstall it, use the same method. And we'll install it. Snug it up. This simple method really works well. And we'll loosen them up and just remove them. That's how you remove and install a new stud.